second bit, first question, second. So if x plus I equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta, 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. We need to prove x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. So first x plus I equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. I want to multiply with its conjugate 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Numerator 3 of 2 plus cos theta minus 3I sin theta by a plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b square, 2 plus cos theta whole square plus sin square theta. Next 3 into 2, 3 of 2 plus cos theta minus 3I sin theta by a plus b whole square, 2 square, 4, 2ab, 2 into 2, 4 cos theta plus cos square theta. 2 square 4, 2 into 2ab, 2 into 2, 4 into cos theta, 4 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal 1. 3 of 2 plus cos theta minus 3I sin theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4 cos theta, 5 plus 4 cos theta. So this is equal to x plus I. We have 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus I into 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So this is x plus I. So this is x, this is y. So x equal to 3 of 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta, y equal to minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is x, this is y. We need to find out x square plus y square. X square plus y square equal to squaring of this one, 9 of 2 plus cos theta whole square by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus square of this one, 9 sin square theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. In this denominator 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square, numerator 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So remaining this one plus this one. So a plus b whole square, 2 square 4, 2ab, 2 into 2, 4 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now x square plus y square equal to, so 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square of cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4 cos theta, 5 plus 4 cos theta cancel, 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So x square plus y square equal to this one. I want to take a right side. 4x minus 3 equal to 4 of x. X equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3. 4 into 3, 12. Taking LCM, 5 plus 4 cos theta, 2 plus cos theta minus 3 into 5 plus 4 cos theta. 4 into 3, 12 of 2 plus cos theta, taking LCM 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3 into 5 plus 4 cos theta. 12 into 2, 24 plus 12 cos theta minus 3 into 5 minus 15 minus 12 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta 12 cos theta cancel. 24 minus 15, 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So this is also 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So therefore x square plus y square equal to 4x minus. So this is the required solution. Next, question number 2. Question number 3. So for third question, second bit, first question, third question. In that, if x plus iy equal to if x plus iy equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta, 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. We need to put. Okay, x plus iy equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta into, let's write 1 minus 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. So numerator 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by denominator a plus ib, a minus ib, 1 plus cos theta whole square a square plus b square. Next, x plus iy equal to numerator 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by denominator 1 square 1 a plus b whole square 2ab 2 cos theta plus b square cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 of 1 plus cos theta. So splitting 1 plus cos theta by 2 of 1 plus cos theta minus I of sin theta by 2 of 1 plus cos theta. So this is x plus iy. This is x plus iy. So this is x, this is y minus. So we need in terms of only x. So x equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2 of 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta cancel 1 by 2. Cross multiply 2x equal to 1. Squaring 4x square equal to 1. So 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the required solution. Next, second bit, second question. Second bit, second question. Third one we will do. Third one. Show that 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square and minus 2 minus 11i by 25 are conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other. So I want to prove this one. So show that 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square and minus 2 minus 11i by 25 are conjugate to each other. I want to simplify this one. I want to convert into form a plus ib and checking this one whether these are conjugate to each other or not. So I want to find the conjugate of this one. If we will get this one, these two are conjugate to each other. So first solution 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square equal to 2 minus I by a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 1 square minus 2i, 1 square plus 2i whole square minus 2 into 1 into 2i. 2 minus I by 1 square 1, I square minus 1 minus into 2 square 4, 1 minus 4. So 2 into 2i minus 4i. So 2 minus I by minus 3 minus 4i. So raised in the denominator. So minus 3 plus 4i by minus 3 plus 4i. Next, equal to 2 minus I by 1 minus 2I whole square equal to, so 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 4I 8I, minus I into minus 3 plus 3I, minus into plus minus 4I square by a plus I b into a minus I b minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square, a square plus b square minus 6 plus 11I, I square equal minus into minus plus 4 by 9 plus 60, minus 6 plus 4 minus 10 plus 11I, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 11I by 25. So conjugate equal to, changing the sign of minus 2 minus 11I by 25, minus 2 minus 11I by 25. So therefore, so if we find the conjugate of this one, we got this one, then automatically, so this one, this is conjugate of this one. So therefore, these two are conjugate to each other. So the given complex members are conjugates to each other. So this is the required solution. Okay, next 36 equal to 0. So z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 equal to 0. So first LHS, z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136. So substitute z value 3 minus 5y whole cube minus 10 into 3 minus 5y whole square plus 58 3 minus 5y minus 136. So a minus b whole cube formula I want to write, a cube minus ba square b plus bab square minus b. A minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these two formulas I want to apply. Now simplification. 3 cube minus 3 into b square into 5y plus 3 into 5y whole square minus 5y whole cube. This is minus 10 of 3 square minus 2 into 3 into 5y, next plus 5y whole square, next plus 58 into 3 minus 5y minus 136. 3 cube equal 27. 3 square 9 into 3, 27 into 5 minus 135 I square minus into plus minus 5 square 25 into 9 225 I cube minus I minus plus 5 cube 125 I, next minus 10 of 3 square 20, 3 square 9, 2 into 5 10 into 3 30 minus 30 I square minus 25, 58 into 3 5 into 3 174 plus 174 minus 58 into 5 290 I minus 136. Next 27 minus 125 minus 198 minus 135 minus 10 I minus 10 into 9 minus 90 minus actually 9 minus 25 minus 16 minus 160 minus into minus plus 300 I. Next 174 minus 136 equal to 38 plus 38 minus 290 I. So if we write 300 minus 10I minus 298 minus 300I plus 300I, getting cancelled. So this is, so minus 160, this is plus 160, 160 plus 38, 198 minus 198, getting cancelled, 0. So this is equal to hence the proof. Okay, next second one is z equal to 2 minus I root 7. Then show that 3z cube minus 4z square plus z plus 88 equal to 0. So we need to prove this one. So LHS simplification. So similar to this one, 2 minus V of 2 minus I root 7 whole cube minus 4 of 2 minus I root 7 whole square 2 minus I root 7 plus 88. So I am taking only left side to prove right side. 3 into, so formula is 2 cube minus 3 into 2 into I root 7 plus 3 into, this is 2 square, 2 into I root 7 whole square minus I root 7 whole cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube minus 4 of 2 square minus 2 into I root 7 plus I root 7b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus 2 minus I root 7 plus 88. Next, 3 of 2 cube 8. So 2 square 4 into 3 12 minus 12 root 7i. Root 7 square 7. 7 into 2 4 into 3 42 I square minus 42. Root 7 whole cube. Root 7 into root 7 into root 7. 7 root 7. I cube minus I minus or minus plus 7 root 7 I minus 4 of 2 square 4. 2 into 2 4 root 7 minus 4 root 7 I. Root 7 square 7 I square minus 7. 2 plus 88 90 minus I root 7. Now 8 minus 30 42 minus 34 into 3 minus 102 minus 12 root 7 plus 7 root 7 minus 5 root 7 5 into 3 minus 15 root 7 I. Next minus 4 minus 7 minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Next minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16 root 7 I. Next plus 90 minus I root 7. Next, so 90 plus 12 102 minus 102. 60 root 7 I minus I root 7 minus plus 15 root 7 I minus 15 root 7 I. 15 root 7 I cancel, 102 cancel, overall we will get 0. So this is equal to RHS. Hence it is true. Okay, next similar to next third bit. Okay, second bit, third question. Third question is if x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 equal to a minus ib, then show that x by a plus y by b equal to 4 of a square minus b square. 4 of a square minus b square. So we need to prove this one. Okay, x minus iy whole power 1 by b equal to this one. Solution or proof: x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 equal to a minus ib. So cubing on both sides, x minus iy equal to a minus ib whole power 3, raising power 3 on both sides. Next, x minus iy equal to a minus b whole cube formula. First, a cube minus 3a square ib plus 3a ib whole square minus ib whole cube. So x minus iy equal to a cube minus 3a square bi. I square equal to minus 3a b square. I cube equal to minus I plus I b cube. Next, so a cube minus 3a b square minus common minus I common 3a square b minus b. So minus common 3a square b. If we are taking minus I common, plus will become minus b. So complete. X equal to a cube minus 3ab square. Y equal to 3a square b minus b. So x equal to, I want to take a common, a square minus 3b square. A common a square, a common 3b square. Y b common 3a square minus b square. So divide x by a equal to a square minus 3b square. Y by b equal to 3a square minus b square. X by a plus y by b equal to a square minus 3b square plus 3a square minus b square. A square plus 3a square equal to 4a square minus 3b square minus b square minus 4b square. 4 common, a square minus b square. So 4 of a square minus b square. So this is the required solution. Therefore x by a plus y by b equal to 4 of a square minus b square. Okay, next in this second question. Second one. So second one is a plus ib by a minus ib. A plus ib by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square. In the form of x plus iy. I want to write this one in the form of x plus iy. Okay. Now a plus ib whole square by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib whole square by a plus ib whole square. Now taking LCM, a minus ib whole square into a plus ib whole square. So a plus ib whole square minus a minus ib whole square. So this is whole power 4, this is whole power 4, square I want to write like this. Okay, now so x square minus y square formula, x plus y into x minus y. A plus ib whole square plus a minus ib whole square. A plus b into a plus ib whole square minus a minus ib whole square by a minus ib into a plus ib whole square. So a power n into b power n, ab whole power n. Now this one, a plus ib whole square, a square I square b square is nothing but minus b square minus plus 2abi. This is plus a square minus b square minus 2abi into same a square minus b square plus 2abi minus a square plus b square plus 2abi by a square plus b square whole square. A plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b square whole square. So here 2abi cancel, here a square cancel, b square cancel. Next a square minus b square 2 times 2 of a square minus b square. 2abi into 4abi by a square plus b square whole square equal to 2 into 4, 8ab of a square minus b square of 5 by a square plus b square of whole square. So it doesn't containing any real part. So I want to write 0 plus I of 8ab a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square.